Around the road bend, around that bend. That's an insane find. It says private property, but it really just means right over the sides of the road. When I was a kid, I thought trespassing was trash passing, just like littering. I was like, don't do it. Not trespass. I didn't know what loitering was, and to be honest, I still don't. I see a bunch of people waiting around pondering it, but they've never figured it out.
Oh my gosh.
The ram in its natural habitat.
This is where a Jeep would come in handy.
Or a 4Runner.
Or a 4Runner.
The Honda Civic hatchback is an all-terrain vehicle. Must be like the same people.
I think that's just how you're supposed to dress when you go hunting.
Oh, you're probably right.
Orange hat so that they know you're not an animal and they don't shoot you.
Well, they're like, that looks like an orange-hatted deer.
We're hiking Tunica Hills today. A new trail that we haven't done yet, Trail B. So we've been here a good bit, especially summer of 23 when we were getting ready to hike the Grand Canyon. So we came a lot during the summer at like 90 degrees. So it's gonna be nice actually being out here on a cool day when it's pretty, trying a new trail out. It is kind of chilly, so I'm very glad to have brought a couple extra things to keep warm.
Just in case you need to rob a bank.
Yeah, yeah. We are not used to the cold. This is cold for us.
Yeah,
50.
it's very chilly, 68 degrees.
It is not. It's in the 50s, okay?
All right, guys, Tunica Hills out in West Louisiana.
Yep.
We're gonna go hike Trail B. We'll put you a map up right here, and let's go get it. Thanks.
We haven't done it since I don't know how. So we're blue. I think we're probably here.
Yeah, I think you're right.
So we're gonna go one or the other way.
And then just make the loop. And it is, oh, online it said this was 3.4, but it's 2.8 miles. I think this one has like 350 feet elevation change, something like that.
Essentially nothing. We went to do Grand Canyon. We weren't ready.
Oh my gosh. This was part of our training, was doing Trail A, the 4-mile trail,
Not even close.
over and over. Oh my gosh, we got so wrecked. We're like, oh yeah, we're hiking in 90-degree weather and 90% humidity.
Heat wasn't the issue.
They should have been stair-stepping for like years.
I think the first 14 steps, my legs are shaking every step down.
Yeah, we also had super heavy packs. Like his was 35 and mine was 25. So when we go back, it'll be nice to not have that. We're gonna have like these packs on. Oh, it's so nice today. Oh, look, I remember on the map it had a green loop and then it had a blue that we lead into. That's why it has the green and the blue painted. It's because this trail has 2 parts.
Oh, look at the part.
I just, on the map, it showed like a green
I didn't see that green.
part first. It was like a short green loop and then we get to the blue loop.
No insects.
I know. Yeah, well, we came here in the summer, you step out of the car and horseflies just swarmed around you. This is much better.
There's tiny gnats in your eyes and ears.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Horseflies dive bombing you.
Gotta reapply bug spray.
Seemed to work, but then they would just hover around you, chase you.
I think we just literally picked the worst time to come hike here back in June and July.
And that's the elevation change.
It would be nice to live near the mountains where you can actually go real elevation change hiking.
What's straight, what's right?
Well, it looks like straight is to continue the green loop.
That's the easier one?
That's like really short. And then this gets you to the blue loop. Yeah.
Well, that brings us back. I would not study that map at all. That would not be any shorts today.
Yeah.
Look at these. Look at these, man. Nature be intense, man.
How huge that is.
Dang.
Ooh.
Like a giant thorn plant.
That's not the Briar patch, is it? Where's Briar Rabbit?
I don't. And bring a couple hammocks out here and a book.
It's way too cold for a hammock. Your hands and face are freezing.
Maybe so.
Yeah, moving is alright, but sitting still, next to a fire would be alright.
So this is where the blue trail parts from the green trail, I think. What does this say? Dry creek bed, 1/2 mile. Caution, the trail is something and steep. It is not suitable for children and those not physically fit.
Fine.
It is definitely very
those
ominously worn.
They come out here without any water and they just stop by and...
Well, and we've seen last time we were here, people just like, you could tell they dragged their teenagers out for a day of hiking.
Jeans.
They're out, yeah, in
Jeans and a black shirt.
jeans and like Crocs to hike this. No.
Are we cooking that?
I won't. I think I see blue up there.
And then we feel like... Oh, and that's it.
Ah. Haha. I wish we had weather like this all year round. Yeah, that one.
You put the edges way too much. I would not press any leaves next to an edge.
Yeah, and the edges do crumble over time. Oh, I got a good bit to climb over.
I think we're back.
Yep.
Maybe we just go over that.
Maybe we can walk around. Yeah. Not too bad. Oh, cute.
Little mushrooms?
Yeah, little mushrooms.
Or little fungi? Is that what it is? Chitin? Is it chitin?
I think it is a fungi. I think mushrooms are. I don't know. That's cool. Where are we going? Oh, around. On the path. Thank you. Smart out. Whee! I'm not that tall.
No, I'm not actually sure. Parkour.
That was some Jason Bourne stuff right there.
Flipping you off.
It is kind of. But I forgot how just like stepping over like sticks and stuff can like really wreck your feet some, you know?
Is that what's happening to you? Sprained ankle?
No.
Rolled ankle?
No, it's not rolled, but like the arch of my foot's like, dude, what'd you do?
Your shoes are too tight.
Okay.
I'm not loose so I can roll my ankle better. There's blue thing there.
Yeah.
Walk that way and see it.
Okay. Ah. Okay, not like we haven't gotten lost before out here.
Nature.
God, so nice out here. It's gonna be so hard to come back when it's hot. We're never gonna want to do that again.
No. And we won't.
I don't know.
Looks like an okra tree. Okra. pasture off the side.
Oh.
This is where all the elevation changes. That's so slippery.
Yeah, it does. You take it slow.
Now this kind of feels like DC.
Yeah, I don't trust that little leaf pile right there. That one is deep. Ooh. Yeah, definitely happy for my hiking boots.
Ooh, deer trap.
That would be really cool if we saw a deer out here.
You got a bench up there.
Oh,
Wow.
that's...
Oh, we're going up.
Yeah.
Nice. Blue over there too. I'm like, which one? B5. What is that? Oh, that's just the mom. They have one over here. Maybe unpainted means not that way. Some fishing poles.
Yeah. Nice little view from the bench. Give a water sip after that. Hey, give me a sec, I'm gonna get a little water break. Whew. That uphill is brutal. Whew, you tell I'm out of practice. Yeah.
Climb.
The hat. I gotta take it off for a little bit. I'm getting hot.
And listen to Les Strauss of Ironman.
We didn't what?
Cardinal rule: you don't overexert yourself and break a sweat in a cold area. Freeze to death. But I don't think you can freeze in 54-degree weather.
I broke the rule though. Thought it was cold enough that I wouldn't get overheated at all or sweat.
That's not how cold works.
Yeah, it keeps you. Just keeps you from sweating because you're so comfortable. Well, I didn't know if it was like a tick or something on my pants, so wanted to make sure it wasn't.
You get that one tick and it's just not the way you eat.
Oh, that would suck. What is it? You just get really sick if you eat meat?
Die.
Oh my gosh.
It's like 5 and 8 years from what I've heard on Reddit. That's one where you be all on the edge being like, I'm fine. It actually goes under, so that edge
Oh.
undercropping a little bit.
There are a couple spots like this on these trails. So yeah, stay solidly in the middle. Yeah.
These all have similar clearings like this. They seem to all have them.
Yeah. Losing the gator too. I wonder if this is one of the areas that they ride ATVs.
Oh, that's interesting.
There you go.
I can always see where this is going to loop back.
I know. There have been two different spots where we could take two paths
guess maybe it comes back on the river.
Maybe.
Go back up that thing.
When we went up by the river, that one that looked like it went past it, that may be where we come back in.
I haven't had that way from around the line. Thought we had kind of gone leftish, but maybe not.
I don't know. We're still on the trail though, so eventually find a way back.
I feel like we're halfway through this.
I feel like it probably as well.
But
That is one advantage to remembering my Apple Watch, because I can see what mile we're on.
B13, it's a vitamin you never heard of. Frodo and the gang.
Where Frodo and the hobbits are hiding from the ring wraiths in the Fellowship.
It's true. That was where they hid.
That's much better. These leaves are covering up some big holes. Look at these.
Is it papyrus?
No.
Probably not.
Definitely some kind of different tree. Oh, you're right.
Back to the riverbed?
Yep. Quiet and still through here.
Guess I like my women.
No. No.
The world has the same color palette as your hair right now.
It does.
Kinda. Maybe that's just the screen though.
Probably blends in with the sand a little bit.
Also, our painting is coming off. Oh no. It's gone. How is it knows the way? This is tragic. This is enough to make this grown man cry.
Ooh.
There's a leash, 40 feet in the air.
Do
Do a backflip off of it.
Heck no. I am not that athletic. Okay, now we turn around, come back.
You bite off more than you can chew?
Well, it gets more rounded as you go that way. I don't want to... I'm probably fine, but one wrong step, that could be really sucky.
Less fine. Less fine.
Don't want to break an ankle out here.
You always do two of them.
You always break 2 ankles.
Uh-huh.
That would be better.
Well, you said you want to break an ankle.
Oh, okay.
Options, people. We're giving you options.
A lot of it is getting...
Just you want continuity.
Yeah, I like this riverbed area. It's really pretty.
I like the riverbed too, I bet I could sleep on it. Going that way.
Oh, good eye. Woo! I'm okay.
You by that trip?
I stepped on the edge of the sand and it collapsed.
Oh, see, I've been telling her she trusts the edges too much. She'd be walking on. I'm like, no big deal. Zion. What's that thing called? Angel's Landing?
Yeah.
She's on Angel's Landing like she's like a mountain goat. But she's not. She's gonna die. That's how I'll lose my wife. Not to cancer, not to heart attack. To falling off of something.
Because I'm sure I've got it.
Confidence.
Leads to death.
Someone sees us out here with these cameras, I'm like, ugh, not city people. They can't even do nature without the cameras.
Bringing the nature to the city people.
Whee! You're watching counts as working out as well. Anyone watching on the couch, wherever, it counts.
It counts as your steps.
Counts as your steps. We'll get there eventually. How long do you reckon we've been out here walking?
I don't know, like an hour? Maybe?
That's 1 hour too long. Gotta get back to my chair, sit down, do nothing but breathe.
Play video games.
Not even that, that's too much work on the hands. Ultimate laziness. Ultimate relaxation.
I will say, this place is a lot more beautiful when the weather is nice.
Yeah, it's also a different track.
Yeah.
It was beautiful before, but yeah, it's hard to notice it when there's bugs in your face.
Yeah.
Bug spray in your mouth, gnats in your ears.
Horseflies trying to get you.
And they fly, they sound like... And then it's hot, so you're sweaty.
Yeah.
Great. It's funny because like when you film stuff, like I've noticed on other people's videos and stuff of the outdoors, it always looks so beautiful, you know? But the truth is, there's a bunch of like ox poop everywhere and just, you know, it's really gross, the outdoors. But today being nice and cold and beautiful with no real downsides, except for maybe this track. But today's actually just beautiful. Oh, the first bit of sun.
Yeah.
Oh, sun.
Wow.
Oh, and cast a shadow, just a baby one. All right, ooh, that's pretty, whatever that is. This tree's up there, foolish though, that's gonna break down. Oh, look, it's been breaking down. Well, I shouldn't get too close, actually. Look how fresh a lot of that
Yeah.
dirt is. That tree up there could just kill us.
Those are the next ones to fall and block the trail.
I don't know. The roots, they run deep.
I definitely see some deer tracks.
Yeah. That's called bear track too. Or any type of animal flying. Clams.
I feel like that might be it up there. That might be where the trail broke off to go up.
I keep feeling that about every single bend. We gotta come take a look at those roots.
Ooh, no, this is where, because I remember seeing those roots. See, right where it starts to go up over there.
Good job,
You see the little bench at the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, these roots are awesome, though.
This is literally like tree beard right here.
It's what?
Tree beard.
Oh, yeah.
Twisted advance. Dark bramble. Up. You just head it off in anywhere.
Yeah, I was just gonna keep going.
Oh, gosh. We're in the end game now. Too out of shape. As the Facebook moms would say with a little yellow minion guy, pear and potato is a shape. Not the Facebook moms.
Yeah, not as big a fan of the straight, like, uphill. I'm like so afraid these leaves are gonna just make me lose my footing.
Going up feels a little safer than down. Let me get ahead of you. Well, going uphill, you can just fall on your chest and hold in your hands.
Sure.
Downhill, you might be going on a ride. Just think of this pretty leaf. Look how purple. Come on. You can do it. Oh, cool leaf. Look at this guy. I'm breathing the oxygen that he created.
I need a sec.
One. Let's roll. I said one.
Just give me a second.
One. Oh, you want like a minute. Yeah, so that's 5 minutes on Grand Canyon.
Yeah, that's true though. Because the air doesn't air up there. The elevation is so high. The air is so thin. We live at sea level.
Below. Actually, I guess we do. No islands though. Anyway, head down in there. That was good.
I realize I should not feel as out of breath as I do right now. That's kind of embarrassing.
No, it's not. It'd be embarrassing if we didn't go out here and do it. Okay, we're good. Back in breath. Back in action. That feels good. That felt really nice.
My heart will thank me.
In like 50 years.
Yeah.
Almost there. I do miss this part when you're kind of through with the workout or the exercise or the thing, and you feel real good about it, you know?
Yeah.
But when you hit that soreness the next day, you're reminded of what you did, and you're like, my serotonin levels, they're so regulated, my cortisol is so low. Wow.
Oh, that breeze feels good.
Yeah. Breathing in the season.
Yeah, they don't really clear the trails. Like, if a free fall is like, you're just gonna find a new way around it.
We have to still get back to the green and blue bit. Rip. I'm donezo. There's people up there. Humans. Humans, Lacey. Oh no, they're hunters. They're trying to kill us. Let's kill them first and eat them for their strength. Literally delicious. Oh, we're gonna be the only ones out here today, you know? It's kind of like, oh, I want to see other humans.
Yeah, I feel like maybe one or two groups, but not a ton.
Hi y'all, how you doing?
Good, how are y'all?
Fantastic. Spinny camera. It just keeps going.
Yeah. We'll never get back.
Nope.
Bobby took the short trail to start getting back out here.
Did that count as short?
It's the shortest. I don't know if I believe that's 2.8 miles though.
That felt kind of long.
Yeah. I would believe 3.4 a little bit more easily.
Perhaps they meant the bit that's just beyond the green and blue split.
Maybe.
Could be it.
Oh, look, we're back to the blue and green.
Woohoo! That's the end. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, there's not much of the blue and green. Briar patch.
Oh.
Could have been impaled.
You could have been impaled.
Impaled.
Imagine falling into one of those. That would have sucked.
Are you going to go do the green trail right quick?
Yep, I'll be here. Now when my feet kind of start hurting. Oof. Talking about time caused pain. I haven't done it in a while. As in I've done it for a while. My peetsies. Just a slight dull pain. It's just been Tunica Hills hiking Trail B, 2 point something to 3 point something miles, just depending on how you feel that day.
Sure. Probably 3.4.
Yeah. Hope you like seeing all the wildlife that we saw. It was lots. We saw lots of humans.
We saw deer tracks where the deer are.
No poop. They're all constipated. Anyway.
Beautiful hike.
Yep.
Beautiful weather. And